Chukwu. Come to me in Serenity Recuperative Care in East Los Angeles, California, USA. Come to me in all states in USA. Come to me in all countries worldwide, on all land, ocean, airspace worldwide. Come to me there. Chukwu, Special General. Chukwu Special General, 2233 dark all night. 2233 dark all night. All battalions, Dimkpa, Eziokwu. All battalions, Dimkpa, Eziokwu. Dimkpa, D-I-M-K-P-A. Dimkpa. Then Eziokwu, E-Z-I-O-K-W. Eziokwu. Eziokwu means truth. Then Dimkpa are masculine energy. The masculine energies, the masculine forces, like able giant men to truth. They are energy and they are spiritual. Masculine energy. And all their okuku calabash energies and our kotule of power, authorities, manifestation, and all their powers, authorities, manifestation, individual and in group, like now, technologies, energies stand up, skyrocketed for free. All Dimkpa, Chukwu Special General, 2233 dark all night. All battalions, Dimkpa. Eziokwu, able giant men to the truth. The masculine energy. And all their okuku calabash energies are kotule of all power, authorities, manifestation, stand from moving forward. All come together and them. All human, you shall protect all human only. All that identify themselves to be human, mother. They are you guys' mission. You shall, first of all, I said first of all, you all must protect USA. Protect USA on land, on ocean, on airspace. And USA like world power forever. Continue moving forward from generation to come. And all your assignment, and I'm assigning you guys, you must continue all terrorists, known and unknown in disguise, all suicide bombers, all negativities and negative plot and secret meeting against the innocent, against the world, against USA, against NATO, against all that love USA. All negativities, 247 unlimited, and those and 247 unlimited, and people involved using them against the world, fighting the world, want the war to end. Wherever they are, mission 247 unlimited. You must go there, discover them, destroy them, and block them. Uncover all of them. You guys must protect all USA allies, all NATO, all seeking for their independence and their freedom. And the other country or other power holding them hostage and refuse them to be free and move to the next level and move forward and skyrocket. All blocking them and all blocking the innocent from moving forward, from moving to the next level. And all abusing their license in any way, in the field, in the government, in any place, all abusing their license, using them against the innocent, and in all companies. Eh? And all that say, tell the government, come in public and say, our foundation are basically on truth. We move the world forward. We are helping save lives and properties. And we are into charity. Say all the good thing they know. But inside, in their secret, in their group, in their company, in their foundation, they are molesters. They are molest the innocent. They discriminate. They have hatred, aggressiveness, hostilities, terrorists in disguise. All the places they are, known and unknown. You must discover all of them and destroy them. You must cover all pits, level all floor, wipe out all shame, pull out all arrows, block all arrows, all shooting arrows against mad woman. Return all of them. If they shoot one arrow, then you guys return all their arrows back to them and shoot all of them 1 billion arrows of negativities and take away 1 billion from their group and from their generation. Take them down. Then next time, all learn their lesson. You must protect all USA president and vice president. First of all, beginning with President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. You all must protect them, surround them, be their personal guide, personal forces to guide them when they are on the field, in their office, sleeping, in any way, in abroad, traveling on land, ocean, or in airspace. You must protect them and fight for them. You must heal all disease, all sickness, all mental disorders, and move all forward. And be the first emergency responders. All emergencies, health emergencies, psychiatric emergencies, natural disaster emergencies. You all must help and shut all the negativities down. All the emergencies, you shut all of them down in the north and the south and the east and the west. In summary, you must do all good, bring in all good, and all negativities, you take them out and banish them. All of mad women, you must protect them and move them forward. Mad women only that identify themselves to be mad women and their foundation, you protect them. First of all, lastly, I welcome you all to USA. I make you all USA citizens and all justices in USA. USA citizen. I welcome you all into all their legislation, executive, judicial, all their states, all their land, ocean, airspace, and in their troops and their forces here in USA and all their bases in abroad. I welcome you all too into NATO allies and their country. We shall energize us, energize all, and move all forward. Lastly, all battalions Dimkpa, Eziokwu, Ebu Giant Truth Men, and all their Okuku Calabash energies, and our Kotule of all power authorities manifestation, I officially welcome you guys to USA. I welcome you all. Be like Democrats and join Democratic Party, USA. They are your party. In an election, you support only Democrats, and all Democrats win it all. All fighting Democrats, physical and spiritual, casting gospel against Democrats. You must go there, destroy them and block them. Democrats win it all. They are your mission. I say Democrats win it all. And president and vice, in the House, in the Senate, in other states, governors, all they are contesting. And the judges, the Supreme Court, all the seat, Democrats win it all. They are your mission. now to skyrocket and launch and all human worldwide and USA to stand. We use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams. You can get mother goats. Or roaster, which male cow, female cow, roosters, roosters, hens, rams. You can get mother goats. Or 33, 22, 33 colonel drinks wine. All that goes into the body that are good. And prayer. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, black hole, heaven. In Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, in NATO allies, in Israel, in Canada, in Ukraine, in Taiwan, in all countries in Asia and Arab parts, we stand and dominate. And dominate USA like your world power. USA like world power forever and moving them forward. Welcome into all the phone companies. Into all phone companies. Cricket Wireless, T-Mobile, Metro, all the phone company, and all the cable, Spectrum, T-Mobile, Direct TV, all the cable company, and all the TV and radio stations. Welcome there. Welcome into all the transportation, all on the land, ocean, airspace, airline, all airports, and protect all that want lives and the air, all negativities that want to destroy lives and properties or cause accident to us. You must go there, block them, cover them, and destroy them. But we use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, fruit, cigarette, weed for those that smoke, beer, wine, to welcome all this prayer, your energies, your power, authorities, manifestations, stand firm, moving forward, energize, 24/7 unlimited, and moving forward and stay healthy. Transfer into all sports. Transfer into all Champions League, Premier League, all the league, both men and women, all sports. Transfer to UEFA, transfer to FIFA, UEFA, FIFA. Then transfer to Chelsea, my club, Chelsea FC, both men and women, and our foundation. Transfer into MLS, all their foundation and all their base. And transfer to my LA Galaxy. Anytime LA Galaxy play, you all must fight and support them and give them victory and bring more MLS Cup into LA Galaxy. Transfer to their academy, U15, U17, all their LA Galaxy 2, all fan, all the senior team, all the fan, our home in Dignity Health Sports Park in Carson and our foundation. Transfer to Carson. Transfer to all states in USA, California state government, Sacramento, transfer to LA County, transfer to Kirimbaz, our mayor, transfer to Mike Gibson, transfer to Carson, transfer to museums, parks, beaches, then transfer into NBA, transfer to my Lakers, transfer to Clippers, transfer to NFL, Rams play today, transfer to Los Angeles Rams, into their foundation, science and technologies, and fight for Rams, and continue bringing in more Super Bowl championship into Los Angeles Rams. And Los Angeles Rams win it all. Transfer into MLB, baseball. Transfer to Dodgers. Transfer into NHL, hockey. Transfer to LA Kings, all the team transfer to them. Transfer into Club America, Mexico. Transfer to Club.Sanko, my club. Transfer to all for free. I'm moving us forward. Transfer to Chivas, Mexico. Transfer to Mexico and Mexicans. Transfer into all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative cares, all ER, all emergencies. Transfer there. Transfer to Serenity Recuperative Care. That's where I am now. Transfer here in Serenity Recuperative Care in North Chicago Street, East Los Angeles, California, into their science and technologies, all their other sites transfer to them on their land, ocean, airspace, to their staffs, to their science and technologies, transfer to them, and protect them and banish all negativities against them in their foundation from outsiders, and protect them and their patients, their residents, recuperating. Transfer to them, transfer to all police, sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to them, transfer to all the security companies, worldwide and in USA. Transfer to Securitas, transfer to them, transfer to White House, transfer to USA Senate and their reps, transfer to them, transfer to Bernie Sanders, transfer to him, transfer to Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, transfer to Sasha, transfer to Maria and Sasha, transfer to all for free, transfer to Nkwuaku family and Metal family, all our friends and well-wishers, the lovers, the supporters, transfer to them, transfer to all Nigeria, transfer to all the Igbo land, all the Igbos, transfer to Enugu, Agoku, Noria, Enugu Agidi, Nise, Igbo, all Igbo land, Igbos in home, Igbos in diaspora, transfer to all Igbos and help all the Igbos, help us, all our secret prayers, all our freedom we have been searching for, our ancestors for the war, then present generation seeking for freedom and better life, and be free from all dictators and authoritarians. Help all Igbos to get their independence, to find our independence now, and all blocking us from becoming free. Go there, wipe all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All the walls blocking all the Igbos, unblock us and move us forward. Transfer into all religion, churches, Hinduism, Buddhism, transfer to Catholicism, Peter's seat, St. Peter's Basilica, St. Peter's Square, Rome, Italy, Vatican City, on land, ocean, airspace, transfer to all Catholic foundations worldwide, all their churches, our members' home, our work, our business, our schools, our abbeys, monasteries, our convents, our religious life, where the religious stay, transfer there and move us forward, and all my prayer transfer there. Transfer to Pope Francis, and all my prayer transfer there, and that Peter's seat, surround Peter's seat, and continue to protect all the Pope, from Pope Francis, future Pope, upcoming Pope, continue to protect them and fight for them and surround us. Transfer into all the schools, all medical schools, transfer to us and continue, transfer to all and continue moving us all forward. Transfer into all the crafts, Freemasonries, Masons, Ikis, Ikanka, Amok, Rosicrucians, Oboni, all practicing witchcraft, using them to move the world forward. Transfer to them, transfer to all Wicca, transfer to all Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, transfer to all, and transfer to myself. Transfer to all universal worldwide science and technologies. Transfer to USA science and technologies, but first of all, USA come first. Protect them, move them forward. All negativities, attack against them. No mercy. And go there and destroy them. Transfer to Ukraine. Then transfer to UK. Transfer to EU. Transfer to England. Transfer there. Transfer to royal family, the king family. I think King Charles. Transfer to their family. The Queen family, transfer to them. All my prayer, transfer to them. And move all forward. 247 unlimited, always put all men, all male into Ubu, and all females into Mbuke, house females. And 247 unlimited, energize and welcome into all males. Our individual chi, Arabnago, Ikenga, Okike, Ojije and Onina energies, and energize us. And 247 unlimited, energize and welcome into all the females, their individual feminine chi, Agwa Arabnago, Akwukwa, Okike, Ojije and Onina energies, and energize all the females. Unblock us, move us forward. So Maribi, say. Sanko FM Chief Priest Peterodira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. And transfer to all the Democrats, all our states, and all Republican stronghold. Transfer their parts. Democrats win it all. Democrats win it all. Democrats win it all. They are your mission. All your mission. And all that try, that struggle to block us. No mercy. All Dimkpa. Chukwu Special General 22, 33 dark all night. All battalions Dimkpa. Eziokwu. Able giant men to truth. And all their Okuku Calabash energies and Akotule are for power, authorities, manifestation. Do your job. Do your job. Do your job. And all abusing their foundation. Go there and destroy them. Starting with Ally Universal Security. Starting with Ally Universal Security. Put in their site, their foundation, science and technologies. Destroy all their network and shut all of them down. Block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and teach them lesson they will never forget in their life. So Maribi. You say, Sanko FM Chief Priest Peterodira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. Answer your name, oh, answer your name. Mbombo. Answer your name, oh, answer your name. Mbombo, my name. Mbombo, my name. Mbombo. Ine gaya we. Ine gaya we. Ine gaya we. Ine gaya we. Ebozina pacheki ibu n'obembe. Opike nada. Ebozina pacheki ibu n'obembe. Opike nada. Ebozina egedeki ba opike nada. Ebozina egedeki ba opike nada. Men and women, all boys, girls. Jesus na payoku n'ugwu opike nada. Jesus na payoku n'ugwu opike nada. Mana ọ na-akpa ayoku n'ugwu opike nada. Jesus na payoku n'ugwu opike nada. Mana ọ na-akpa ayoku n'ugwu opike nada. Forward.